Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a strategy that'll give you the financial freedom that you always wanted, where you can break away from the 9 to 5 and start your own dropshipping business. Now, we have gone into great detail and looked at successful dropshippers around the globe, and we've looked at the strategies that they've been using to scale their business to become successful dropshippers. And obviously, we've also looked at the mistakes that they have done so you could actually learn from them. And that is the reason why we are creating all these amazing videos for you guys, to ensure that you have the proper knowledge and obviously the expertise to ensure that you can start your own dropshipping business. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss any of the videos that we're making. Now, obviously, the biggest two platforms that people are using to start their dropshipping business is Shopify.com and eBay.com. But the first thing that we need to look at is what are the benefits of both of them and what are the strategies that you would need to require to ensure to become a successful dropshipper on both of them. So what are we going to do in this video is that we're going to look at what Shopify is, what eBay is, and how you find the right product to sell on Shopify and eBay. So obviously, one of the major facts that I love Shopify is the fact that there are millions of entrepreneurs that have chosen Shopify to build their business, meaning there are millions of businesses that are available that are successfully doing dropshipping that we can actually learn from. And one of the things that I find absolutely incredible with Shopify is the fact that you can bring your vision to life with your easy to use store creators, and there's no coding expertise required at all. And what that does is that you don't need to hire a back-end developer, a front-end developer, a UI or UX individuals. Everything that you need are available on Shopify. You can select from hundreds of customizable templates that are crafted by a community of world-class designers. You can even add more features and functionalities to your online store with the app extensions that are trusted by Shopify partners, and obviously connect with customers everywhere. You can sell online, in person, or both with the marketing tools, the social integrations, and the sales channels that you need to get your product in front of customers. Now, guys, we live in a time and period where social media is one of the most strongest tools available, and obviously based on this tool that you can increase your audience and grab the attention of individuals and sell the items to them. You need to understand the business psychology, the customer psychology, the business entrepreneurship, and obviously by combining all these elements together, you're able to develop a very unique dropshipping business that can cater to the needs and wants of your audience and your customers and turn them into loyal customers. Everything that you need to succeed is available, from managing inventories and tracking payments and viewing real-time business insights from a single dashboard. They have built all the tools that you need, and you can focus on building your business, and that is the beauty of Shopify. They're empowering entrepreneurs everywhere, and they have millions of merchants worldwide, and those are the merchants that we have looked at before we started establishing a Shopify strategy to ensure that you can successfully start running your business with 175 countries with 5 million jobs supported and $441 billion of global economic activity. And this is the reason why I personally believe that we live in a time and period where we can increase the elements and become financially independent. And starting your Shopify account is very easy. Click in the description below and get Shopify for 90 days. If you want to go on eBay, you can go on ebay.com, and obviously ebay.com is a platform where you can buy, where you can trade, and obviously sell the items that you don't want. The distinguishing difference between eBay, Amazon, and Shopify is the fact that with eBay you can sell items as auctions, meaning if you don't like a product, if you want to sell a product, if it's a used product, you can always auction it away, and the highest bidder will buy that product, which is not available in a lot of different e-commerce websites, which eBay tends to give you. And obviously eBay is one of those platforms that gets millions of customers that come to it and check out different products that are available on eBay. And this is what gives you that competitive advantage, that you actually don't need to go and search for individuals. All you need to do a proper SEO, a search engine optimization of your actual products, write the right description, add the right tags to ensure that you can actually cater to the right individuals. And all of these elements have been described in great detail on our channel. So if you have not watched that video on how to optimize your tags and how to optimize your products and how to optimize your store, go ahead and check those videos out on our channel to ensure that you have the proper information and the right information to develop the right strategy that you can scale and become a successful dropshipper. Once you have established and created an account on eBay and created an account on Shopify, what you need need to do is head over to a very interesting website, which is called cjdropshipping.com. Now, cjdropshipping.com is not like alibaba.com. It's not like aliexpress.com. It is quite different. And what they do is that they buy a lot of these items which are available already from the suppliers and manufacturers across the globe, and then they store it in their warehouses. Then you can click on the warehouse and see all the different warehouses that are available across the globe, in the US, in Thailand, in China, in Germany, Indonesia, Australia, Japan, Canada, Mexico, India, Brazil, Saudi Arabia. Everywhere, every single country tends to have a particular warehouse from which you can actually buy different elements and get those elements available for you. Now, what I always mention to individuals that are starting their dropshipping business is make sure that you select the warehouse where that product is that is near you. For example, if you're in the US and you buy the product from China, you will get that item in a couple of months. It'll take a very long time for you to get it. But if you click and find the warehouse in the US and that product is going to be available in the US, you can easily find the product and ship it to you in a matter of days. And that, my friend, gives you a competitive advantage. Selecting the right product at the right time to ensure that you can get that product effectively to your actual customers in time. Now, if I scroll down, you can see all of these items available. A woman's arm shaping sleeves, the crystal column tree, the low noise easy installation HD TV for 90 cents, and the tail air deck chair for $138. And you can even look at the hot selling stone crystals for $1 to $14.34. All of these products are available in the US for you to buy, and you can easily find all these products that can make you and give you an opportunity, a competitive advantage to become independent sellers. For example, this metal phone waterproof case is a very good example. So all we need to do is click on it and it will take us to the next page. On this page, it will give us a complete breakdown of what this product consists of, who is selling it, and how we can actually connect these to individuals that are available. For example, this is a product for $6.75. We can ship it from the China warehouse or the US warehouse. We're going to select the US warehouse. There is one that is available in the US warehouse. We can connect our Shopify store and ship it to the US. It's very simple and straightforward. The shipping price is going to be $8, the service price is going to be $1, and the total drop shipping price is going to be $15 to $16. We can easily sell this product for $19.99 or $24.99 and make a healthy profit on it. If you scroll down, you will get the complete information about the product, the merchant comments, the buyer reviews, and see exactly what this product is about and what the quality of the product is, and obviously ensuring that you can get the right product to your customers in a matter of days. And that is what really makes this a very unique website, because it gives you a chance to connect to your audience, connect to your customers, and give them a buyer experience that they will never experience anywhere before. This is definitely a product that has a lot of potential and individuals are interested in it. If you want to get this product from China, you can do that as well. If you click on the US and change it to China warehouse, there is 1 million of these products that is available. But the problem over here is that it's going to take a couple of days, maybe weeks, to get you this particular product. And that is the reason why I always recommend individuals to select the right warehouse before they select the product to buy from, which will give an opportunity to your buyers to make sure that they can get the right product to their customers in time. They have recommended products as well, and you can even check or change the warehouse if you want to. For example, if you're in the US and you say, listen, I don't want to get it from the US, I don't want to get it from somewhere that can get me a lot more variety, so you can always change and go to anywhere other than the US. For example, if you want to go to a particular place in Britain, which is going to be then China, you can always check the products that are available in the warehouse in the UK, and then based on that, you can get the products that are based in the UK and make those products available. One of the major things I want to mention right now, the product that's available in the US and Britain actually goes by the qualities that is being sold in those particular countries. And that is the reason why I always recommend individuals to understand the dynamics of warehouses before they select an item. If you have any questions, guys, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, assist you, and to guide you. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon, share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.